Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you a lesson number 4, direction and map. So we will continue. For example, the east of the map must be matched to the east of your surrounding. By doing this, you can tell us at once the direction of the place shown on the map. So look here. Here is the girl that given the picture. Then this is a map. So look here. So in which direction? So her right hand is on the east side and opposite side there is a west. So this is a north and this is a south. So use the method while reading the map in your textbook too. Okay. Now look here. Use your brain power. Use your brain power. Standing facing the rising the sun, in which direction is your right ear? In which direction is your left ear? So look here. If we standing facing rising sun, my right ear is in the south direction. My right ear is a south direction and the left ear is the north direction. So here I'm again answering this question. First question, standing facing the rising sun, in which direction is your right ear and which direction is your left ear? If I will standing facing rising sun, my right ear is in the south direction and left ear is in the north direction. Now, in which direction will your shadow fall at sunset? At the sunset, the shadow would fall in the east direction. Kuta, in which direction will your shadow fall at the sunset? In which direction? At the sunset, the shadow would fall in the east direction, student. In the east direction. Now look here. District, state and country. India is my country. We have been reading the sentence in the pledge ever since standard 1. India is my country. भारत माझा देश आहे. ही आपण प्रतिज्ञा सकाळी आपण शाळेत गेल्यावर सगळेजण आपण प्लेज म्हणतोय. ही प्रतिज्ञा म्हणतोय आपण भारत माझा देश आहे इन मराठी अँड इंडिया इज माय कंट्री ऑल कंट्री. हे सगळं आपण सकाळी प्लेजला म्हणतोय. सो यू मस्ट हॅव रीड द वर्ड स्टेट, नेशन and the world. In this textbook too, you will find the word earth. Earth म्हणजे काय स्टुडंट? अर्थ म्हणजे पृथ्वी. कळालं का? आणि वर्ल्ड म्हणजे काय? वर्ल्ड म्हणजे काय? द अर्थ टुगेदर ऑल ऑफ इट्स कॉन्टिनेंट अँड पीपल. वर्ल्ड म्हणजे जग, जागतिक. वर्ल्ड a particular region or a group of country. A particular region or group of country. World म्हणजे जग. कळालं का? Then आणि state म्हणजे काय? State the particular condition that someone or something is in a specific time. Particular state म्हणजे स्थिती. डिस्ट्रिक्ट म्हणजे जिल्हा. डिस्ट्रिक्ट म्हणजे जिल्हा. an area of a country or a city specially one characterized by a particular feature or activity. Okay. Taluka is a South Asia an administrative district for taxation purposes, typically comprising a number of villages. Then look here. Taluka, village in many places. So come let us get to know district, state, country, the earth and the world. So look here. First what we get? Village, then city, then taluka, district, state and nation. Okay. Then see here. We live in a house. Our houses are built on land. This land is spread every far and wide. A vast section of the land on the earth is called a continent. Is called a continent. So continents, how many continents are there? There are altogether 7 continents. Continent म्हणजे काय? प्रदेश, खंड. Continent म्हणजे काय? प्रदेश. Any of the world main continuous expanses of land, for example, Europe, Asia, Africa, North and South America, Australia and Antarctica. There are altogether 7 continents. Continent मध्ये काय? प्रदेश. Like the continent, salt water too occupies the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. This part is called ocean. And the earth is also called the world. World म्हणजे काय? जग. There are many countries on the land on the earth. The countries are made up of several states. We live in the state of Maharashtra. Our country, India, is made up of many such states. Map of your district, Maharashtra state, India and the world have been given in the lesson. Complete the activities based on the map. Complete the activities. Okay. Then, do you know the index in the map symbols, picture, signs and different shades of colors are used to present the information in a map. A list of this symbol etc. is given along with the map. This list is called the index, and the index helps us to understand the map. So always remember, we made use of the rising sun to the determined direction. Other components of nature can also be of your help to us. Now look here student, map friends with make a friends with map. Several villages, settlements and cities like our together from it is composed of several taluka. A map our district is given below. The map shown the taluka and the headquarters. An index is also given. It will help us understand the map. Read the map using the index and the direction. Carry out the activities given below. This is a Kolhapur district talukas. This is a Kolhapur district taluka. So this is a map of the taluka of the Kolhapur district. So here it is a Kolhapur. What is then given here? Shirur, then Garguti, Gandhijal, Azra, Changad. So this is a map of taluka. So next here, this is a map of given our Maharashtra state. This is a map. This is a map of which is it is given. It is given a Maharashtra state. So look here. So here it is see a student. You can see here is a Mumbai. So Mumbai is the capital of India, and second which is the capital of Mumbai is Nagpur. It is a Nagpur. So हे सगळं जिल्हा आहे. हे सगळे जिल्हे आहे. This is a Thane. Then which is a state? This is a state. See here, Karnataka, Telangana, then this is a Chhattisgarh, then this is a Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and this is a Goa. This is a state. And this is a Arabian Sea. This is a Arabian Sea. Now, so this is our map, a map of country. This is our map of India. This is a map of our India. So in India, the New Delhi is the capital of India. So here it is a New Delhi. New Delhi is a capital of India. And this is a state. This is a state. This is a Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. This is a state boundary. This is a state boundary. It is a state boundary. See here, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. This is a state. Okay. Now Here it is given an international boundary. It is a given an international boundary. Here it is a Pakistan. Then here it is a Afghanistan. Here it is a China. Here it is a Nepal. Here it is a Bhutan. Here it is a Bangladesh. Here it is a Myanmar. Then here it is a Sri Lanka. Here it is a Sri Lanka. Now let's see here. So this is our world. This is a map of the given map of the world is given. This is a map of our world. So this is a continent. How many continents I told you? 7. Altogether there are 7 continents. So this is a land continent shown in a white position. Land continent is shown in a white. This is a land continent. Okay. See here. This is a land continent. Europe, Australia, Asia, North America, South America, Africa, Antarctica. All together how many continents are there? 7 continents. And it is shown in a white. It is shown in a white. And the water ocean is shown in a blue. This is shown in a water ocean. This all blue color, it is shown in a blue color. This is a water ocean. And here it is a India. So here it is a India. The special map has been created that all the land and water on the earth can be seen at the glance. Means this special map has been created that all that land and water on the earth can be seen at a glance. Okay, student. Now look here. In the map of the world given above, color the part label India. Color the part of the label India. This is an Indian map. You have to color it, not with sketch pen, okay? In crayon color. So, color the box next to the map in the same color. What going to color your map? That color you have to color in this box and write India. You have to write here India, okay? On the dotted line. And this is our country. This is our country. So I hope student you understood this, and whatever I am going to give the homework question answer, you write it and you learn the question answer and make the video and show me. Okay student, thank you.